Hello again. I want to just review a little part of this handout, Local Adjustments with Layer Masks. In our file, on this pixel thumbnail, we made a selection using the Object Selection tool. With that tool selected in the toolbar, we went up to the option bar and hit Select Subject, and it did a pretty good job. Let's zoom in and check it out. Command plus and minus to zoom in and out, and hold down the space bar to move around. Like I said, it did a pretty good job, but I want to fix here and here. And one way to do that is to enter Quick Mask. Hit Q to enter and Q to exit. I'm going to hit Q to enter, B for brush, and make sure the foreground and background are white and black by hitting D. Now using a small brush with black in the foreground, I am going to add this to the selection by painting it back in, hit X to put white in the foreground, and making sure that the back of the tape dispenser is a part of the selection. So we were able to subtract and add to the selection using the brush tool with black and white in the foreground and background. And the entire time we are in Quick Mask on the pixel thumbnail. Hit Q to exit, and you'll see you have a pretty awesome selection. Good job.